Today we are going to talk about how to avoid issues with ghosting. Always use Remarkable base paint or a high-quality satin or eggshell water-based enamel. Remarkable calls for a full-size 9-inch, 3/8-inch nap microfiber roller. We recommend delinting the roller first. Apply Remarkable liberally. Never try to stretch the coating further than it is intended to go. Roll, working in approximately 4-foot sections. Finesse each section as you are working on it, then move to the next, slightly overlapping the previous section. Work your way across the surface in this manner and do not go back and back roll or rework what was previously painted. Use low odor dry erase markers and a microfiber cloth for erasing. If you have any questions, call a Remarkable Coating Specialist at 800-936-2159 or visit us at www.remarkablecoating.com. It's remarkable.